Meaning of disaster.
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 Disaster. Disaster refers to an event or situation that causes great damage, harm, or loss. It can be a natural calamity such as an earthquake, hurricane, or flood, or a man-made catastrophe like a terrorist attack or nuclear accident. The result of a disaster is widespread disruption to normal life, loss of property, infrastructure, and lives. It can also lead to long-term environmental degradation and economic impact. In short, a disaster is a severe and often unpredictable event that can have significant consequences for individuals, communities, and the world at large.